In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add back in stock notification on your Shopify store. This is really helpful if you often have products going out of stock and you don't want to lose potential sales. Instead of customers leaving your store when something is sold out, you'll give them an easy way to be notified as soon as the item is available again. First, log into your Shopify admin account. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down options, choose Apps. In the search field, type back in stock and press enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Back in Stock Notify Me KByte. Click on that app, then click to install it and follow all the installation prompts that Shopify shows you. Once the installation is complete, you'll be taken automatically to the KByte dashboard. On the first card at the top, you'll see a button called App Embed Settings. Click that and it will open your theme editor. Inside the theme editor, look over to the left-hand panel and make sure the KByte app embed is enabled. This is what allows the widget to actually appear on your store. After confirming that it's turned on, click Save at the top right. Then, in that same left panel, click Manage App to go back to the KByte dashboard. Back inside the KByte dashboard, look at the left-hand side again and find the section labeled Widget under KByte. Click on Widget to start setting up how your back in stock notification will look and behave in your store. Now, configure your widget settings. Make sure the option Enable Notify Me button on sold out products is checked. This ensures that whenever a product is sold out, customers will see a notification button. Then choose where you want that button to appear, either on the side or just below the sold out button. Next, customize your texts. Adjust the button label, the message customers see before they subscribe, and the confirmation message they see after subscribing. You can also refine the visual style. Set the background color and text color so they match your brand, or add custom CSS if you want more advanced styling. Then edit the form content. This includes the heading, subheading, notify button text, privacy text, success message closed text, invalid email text, channel settings, and any opt-in marketing options you want to use. At the bottom of this page, you'll find your notification settings where you can fine-tune how and when alerts are sent. When everything looks good, review the live preview on the right-hand side to make sure you're happy with the result, then click Save at the top near the search bar. Your back in stock notifications are now active on your Shopify store.